Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, which is Common Fractions, chapter number 5. In the previous class, you have learned about fractions, in which you learned about like fraction, unlike fraction, etc. Okay. In this chapter, we will be learning few more about fraction, few more things about fractions, like proper fraction, improper fraction, and what are the applications of fractions in our daily life, like how to add or subtract unit fractions. Okay, today's date is 27 2020. Okay, chapter number 5, common fractions. So we recapitulate few things that you learned in the previous class, which are, first of all, what is a fraction? What is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole. A fraction is a part of a whole. Let's check. Let's see how it is a part of a whole. See, look at this example. This is a circle. Okay, this is a whole circle. Okay, if I will divide circle into 4 equal parts, if I'll divide the circle into 4 equal parts, so how many parts are there? Part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. If anybody is asking what is the fraction of the unshaded part, what is the fraction of unshaded part? So you will be saying out of 4 part, 1 is unshaded. It means 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Clear? So this is the part of the whole. 1 is a part of the total. Understood or not? So this is a fraction. 1 by 4 is a fraction. If somebody is asking what is the shaded portion of the whole, how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3. So 3 upon 4. Out of 4, 3 parts are shaded. Out of 4, one part is unshaded. Clear? So this is fraction. These are fraction. Therefore, a fraction is a part of a whole. Clear? Next is, what is a like fraction? What is a like fraction? Okay, look at this. What is a like fraction? When denominators are same in few fractional numbers, like I'm writing few fractional numbers like 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2. See here, all the denominator of these fractional numbers are same. Therefore, when the denominators are same, we're calling these kind of fractions as like fractions. Clear? Okay, next is unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. What is unlike fraction? Fractions having different denominator. In the previous in the like fraction, you saw that the denominators have same denominators are same, but in unlike fractions denominators are different, like 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 3 by 4, 5 by 6. See here, look at the denominators. These are different. Denominators are different. So, unlike fractions have different denominators, and like fraction have same denominators. Okay. Next is unit fraction. Unit fraction. Fractions having 1 as numerator, like 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. See here, the numerator is 1 everywhere. The numerator is 1 everywhere. When the numerator is 1, you can say that these fractions are unit fractions. Clear? Next is equivalent fraction. What is an equivalent fraction? Look at this. 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8. See the values here. The values of all the fractions are same. How? Look at this. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Here also 1 by 2. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. See, everywhere you're finding the values same. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. When the values of the fractional numbers are same, you're calling this as equivalent fraction. It means equal values of all the fractions. Now, proper fractions. What is a proper fraction? When the numerator is less than its denominator, like 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 5, 6 by 7. Here, look at all the numerator. These numerators are less than its denominator. When the numerator is less than its denominator, we call this as proper fraction. In proper fraction, numerator is less than denominator. Clear? Next is, what is an improper fraction? When the numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator. When the numerator is greater or equal to its denominator, it is called improper fraction. Like, look at this example. Here the numerator is greater 4 by 3, 6 by 3, 5 by 2, 7 by 7. These kind of fractional number are improper fraction. When the numerator and denominator are same, then also we can say that it is an improper fraction. Clear? Next is mixed numbers or fractions. What is a mixed number or fraction? When the numbers or the fractional numbers are written in this manner: 1 whole 2 by 3, 1 whole 2 by 3, 2 whole 5 by 6. These kind of fractional numbers are known as mixed fractions. See here, mixed fractions can be converted into improper fractions. See how? 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. Here see, the numerator is greater than denominator. So we are calling this as improper fraction. Improper fraction. Here numerator is greater than denominator. So mixed numbers or fractions can be converted into improper fraction. Similarly, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 5, 17 upon 6. Again, see here, numerator is greater than denominator. So what is a mixed number or a fraction? Numbers written in this manner: 1 whole 2 by 3, 2 whole 5 by 6. This kind of numbers are mixed fractions. Clear? So today we are not going to start with the new exercise. Today you have to write all the definitions of fraction, like fraction, unit fractions, unlike fractions, unit fractions, equivalent fractions, proper, improper, mixed numbers in your copies and try to understand it. Next day we will be starting with the new exercise. Clear? Till then you have to write, look at your book, page number 53, write fraction with this example, definition, like fractions, unlike fractions, unit fractions, equivalent fraction, proper, improper fractions, and mixed number in your copy. Write all these in your copy today. Clear? Complete it by today. Next day we will be starting with a new exercise, which is exercise 5.1. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.